Hello everybody. Today we will start a new chapter, that is trigonometry, which is very new and basic for class 10, and it is the first and most new concept for class 10 student, that is trigonometry. Here the word trigonometry is combination of two words, that is trigono, that is triangle, and here metron, that means the measurement. So here we will deal about the measurement related to triangle. So as you know, there are different types of triangle. Let's first of all, this is triangle. It's a three-sided closed figure. Then what is triangle? Triangle is a three-sided closed figure, and as we know, there are different types of triangle depending upon the sides and depending upon the angles. Depending upon the sides, there are three types of triangle, that is equilateral, scalene and isosceles. Similarly, depending upon the angles, there are three types of triangle, that is acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. So here we will deal only with the right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? The triangle in which one of the angle is right angle is called right angle triangle. In this chapter, in the syllabus of class 10, we will only deal with this type of triangle, that is right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle A, B and C, where B is angle B is equal to 90 degree, means this is a right angle triangle. So in this triangle, this AC is the hypotenuse. This AC is the hypotenuse, we all know that. But can you say within AB or BC which one is AB and BC, which one is height and which one is base? You might be. So if you ask me, then I will tell both AB and BC both can be height and base. AB can be height as well as base. Similarly, BC can be height as well as base. How? This depends on the angle we are considering. This is very basic, just concentrate here. If suppose C is the angle we are considering, if C is the angle we are considering, then BC is equal to base and AB is equal to height. Similarly, for angle A. Similarly, for angle A, AB is equal to base and BC is equal to height. So, suppose we are considering ABC is a right angle triangle and considering the angle C, suppose this is theta, which is some unknown or variable like we are using in algebra as x and y. This is suppose theta. So in this triangle, this will be the base, this will be the height, and this will be the hypotenuse. So here we will learn some ratios which is very much related to these base, height and hypotenuse. So first of all, the first ratio is sine. This ratio is only then completed when we will consider one of the angle. For this figure we are considering angle theta, that is angle C. So sine angle C, or we can write it as sine theta is equal to, this sine theta is the ratio of height and hypotenuse. So here I am writing this is height by hypotenuse, or you can write this height as the perpendicular also, perpendicular. So here height or perpendicular by hypotenuse. The next ratio is cos theta, or the full form of cos is cosine, that is cosine theta. This is the ratio of base by hypotenuse. This is the ratio of base and hypotenuse. The third one is tan, tan theta. The full form of tan is tangent. We are writing tangent as tan theta. So this is the ratio of sine theta by cos theta, that is equal to height by hypotenuse. I am writing hypotenuse as like this, into, just reverse this one. So from here we are getting tan theta is equal to height by base. Then after tan theta, here it is cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. The full form of cot theta is cotangent. So as this is the reciprocal of tan theta, so this is 1 by height by base, that will be equal to base by height. Similarly, the next one is sec theta. The full form of this one is secant. I am writing here secant. Here it is cotangent. Here it is cosecant. So after cot, here we will see at sec, whose full form is secant. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that means 1 by cos theta. So as cos theta is base by hypotenuse, so sec theta will be equal to hypotenuse by base. And the last one, that is cosec theta, has already we have written here cosecant. Cosec, the full form is cosecant, that is it is the reciprocal of sin theta, that means 1 by sine theta. So I am directly writing here that it will be equal to cosec theta will be equal to hypotenuse by height, as sine theta was equal to height by hypotenuse. Here these all are the ratios. These all are the what? These all are the ratios. Means we are getting here the ratio between the base and height, considering, just listen to it properly, here we are determining the ratios of what? That is base and height, considering the angle theta, where in this triangle ABC the theta is angle C. Get it or not? I am repeating once again. These are the sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. All these are the ratios of side depending upon the angle, where in these the theta, that is angle C of triangle ABC. Got it or not? Now for today's videos I am summarizing the total thing. Here what we have learned today, this is sine theta is the ratio of height and hypotenuse, that is height by hypotenuse, which is equal to AB by AC according to this triangle, where theta is the angle C. Don't confuse, theta is the angle C. Next, the cos theta, whose full form is cosine theta, is equal to base by hypotenuse equal to BC by AC. This is BC and this is AC. Similarly, tan theta is equal to height by base is equal to AB by BC. This AB by BC. Cot theta is equal to base by height, that is equal to BC by AB. This BC by AB. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, what we have already learned, that is hypotenuse by base is equal to AC by BC. Similarly, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by height, that is equal to AC by AD. So for today this much. We will learn tomorrow or in the next video that one of the formulas that can be derived from this and another triangle. So I am giving one hints here. Suppose this is 90 degree, this angle is theta, then this angle will be 90 minus theta, as angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle C is equal to theta. So angle A will be 180 degree minus 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to 90 degree minus theta. So in the next video we will learn about the ratios of sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, and so on, and we will get a very beautiful relation between this sin theta, and we will get a very beautiful relation between sin theta and sin 90 minus theta. So for today this much. Thank you.